Today we're doing a lip kit try-on. I purchased this from Target. It was $14.99 and there are 7 full-size neutral nude lip products in here. So we're going to try these on. The only one I won't be trying on is the Revlon because I won't wear that one, so I'm going to pass that one on to a friend and not try it on. But the rest are mine and I'm going to try them on. So let's get into it. The only one that I didn't care for was this Noya Starling by Noya in Sundressed. In the tube it looks really pretty, but it's very chalky. It didn't really look that good on me, I don't think. And it was a little patchy to apply. It did kind of smooth out after a while, but I wasn't a big fan of this. I'll bypass this one on to someone else. But the rest of these I'm very excited about. Particularly this CoverGirl, this was super comfortable. I love the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip. That's what's on my lips. I love this one. NYX Butter Gloss is a classic. I haven't used one of these in a very long time and I forgot how comfortable they are. And this lip bar liquid lipstick was actually really pretty and it felt nice initially. And this e.l.f. gloss was really pretty topper, so I'm pretty excited about all of these. I'm going to pass the Noya and the Revlon on, and the rest are for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have you picked up any of the Target favorites kits? Did you see any different color kits? I only saw this one, so I'm not sure if there were more, but let me know if you saw a different color category. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.